my dreams come true.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have more little doll babies, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby. Why do I always dab? Why? Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I'm actually doing a little review on some glasses that were provided to me. So this is going to be a collab sort of PR situation. This company did provide me these glasses to review, and I have reviewed some glasses before. Actually, the glasses I reviewed before I wear like 24/7, and I also review colored contacts, so I will put those playlists down below. Okay, this beautiful girl is Freetress Equal Lite 003 in the color CMPecan. You can see a whole review on that. She's part of that Zodiac and Wigs series that I'm doing, so this was for January Capricorn. I decided to try to highlight some wigs on my little turnstile here periodically in different videos, just, you know, for fun. And this one is Alondria, and this is the Outre Melted Hairline. You will see a review coming up on this one as part of a collab. So, the company that I am working with this time is called Cliclime, I think it's called Cliclime. And they reached out to me to review some glasses. They had seen reviews from glasses that I got before. I do need readers now, so I got +1 in each eye, and also Bluelight came in this box like this. I did open it just because like I couldn't wait. This is their little informational thing, okay? And this is about their Instagram, okay? Contacting them and everything. And that is their website. I will include all of this information down below. I also will have like sort of a promo code or referral code or whatever that I will put down below as well. But it came with this like bag, sort of one of those drawstring bags. I think it's super cute with their little logo on it. Yeah, I think this is so cute. Your one-click eyewear shop. Oh, that's cute. So that came in the little package that they sent me. So I got 2 styles, and I will put the style names and information up on the screen so you can see what they will look like online, and when, you know, in case you want to order them. They did come in these little plastic things. This is a plastic case that it's coming in a clear plastic case, little frosted. They do come with these beautiful chamois cloth thing, and it says,
"Hi there, I'm Cliclime, your personal eyewear assistant. Getting great vision and a frame that matches your look and personality should be easy, affordable, and fun, right? To enjoy that experience, find me at Cliclime, I hope I'm saying it right, .com.
So you can see what that is. So cute. With the little click thing. So cute. I really like that. So that's little chamois cloth. In the case is like this little like foam, you know, so that it doesn't get scratched or anything. And these are the first, yes, and they are blue light, because you can see, do you see that? You can see the blue light of my lights. So these are the first style, and again, I will put on the screen. This style comes in several different colors. I chose red, so if you can see, there's red accents right here, and then the tips are red. So let me try them on. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, look how cute they are. All right, I'm gonna try to turn off one of my lights just so you can see how they look. They're really, really cute. They're very comfortable. They do feel sort of like weighty though. Like, what's the word? Like high end. They're you know, they're weighty. They're not flimsy or anything. Ooh, they do have those like bouncy things, so in case you need to adjust. But I think that they are really, really cute. Yeah, I think these are really, really, really cute. They're comfortable. I can read So that is good. So that is the first pair. Also came with this tool, like it's a keychain with the eyeglass fixing tool, you know, in case they get loose and you need, you know, the little side things fixed up, or the nose pieces or whatever. There's like the eyeglass fixing tool. I think that's actually really cool. And then the second pair, I will put the stock card thing up on there, and it comes with the chamois cloth, same case, and this one I didn't take the plastic off yet. So these again are the same, where they have the blue light, as you can see. These are a slightly different shape, and they have sort of this dark but like wavy little detail on the corner here, and then they're sort of a rose gold color. So cute. Let me see about these ones. Ooh, yes. They're so cute. They're very comfortable. They do have like all the options to be able to, you know, put in your prescription and everything like that. And they can do them without a prescription as well. Oh yeah, these are my new go-tos for reals. I have other ones that are bigger. I do really like bigger frames. However, I like these because when I am editing, because I only need them to read, if I'm editing and watching like a show with my partner and look up, with the big ones, I can't see over the top. These ones I really like because I can see and read here, but then I can look up into the screen and it's not like messing with my eyes. So I really love that. And these are so cute. They're the most delicate little, what's the word, detail right here, but I really, really like it. And then the black goes all the way here. So yeah. So, because I only need them to read, I'm gonna take them off now. So that is what I have for you for these glasses. I'm really, really impressed and happy. The prescription's right. I like how they feel. They feel very high end. Like I said, I'll put all the deets down below, as well as like any sort of like discount codes or anything that you can use to save you a little coins. I don't know what happened to me, okay? If you like these types of video, please give me a thumbs up. See my playlist down below for other glasses and contacts that I have reviewed. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.